Here, check it out. Perfect. Cheese melted. Wow. So yes guys, Leah wanted omelets. I now made some toast for the kids. So what I have here is 4 eggs. I never really make omelets. So Leah does make omelets. So I have 4 eggs, some tomatoes, some onion, some chive. I cut up 2 good pepper in there and salt, black pepper and a little bit of parsley. I don't know. Time to get a little mix. Hope this come out good. Next it end up being the best omelette ever. Let's hope so. And I have some cheese here to add. Very nice. Right. I don't want to beat this too much. I'm gonna hot the pan. So guys, using some olive oil. That should be enough. Trying to keep it all healthy. I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit. Time to throw the eggs. Wow. I think it's looking better than places I went. Five-star restaurant. What you all say in the comments? Check it out. So I have it on low heat guys because I want the little veggies cooked too, right? Looking so pretty, my god. I should always eat a little thing. Nice. So guys, I'm gonna burst the middle a little bit so the wet part will also cook all over. This is a secret I never show anybody. Just showing you guys today, right? See? As you burst, it will fall up. Don't worry yourself. That's the nice thing about this. It's looking so pretty. Anyway, you see wet. We burst a hole. Let's go in. So guys, time to add my cheese. I didn't grate my cheese. I read it this way. Well, I like to grate your cheese, but I like it this way. Just get some nice lumps of cheese. I'm gonna heat it a little bit. Looks so delicious. It's gonna be amazing. Ooh. One more piece of cheese. I think I get a little too much cheese. Guys, I'm gonna get a little dust. A little dust of paprika, I don't know. That's looking nice. Wow. So time to show you how to flip this. I'm using the wrong thing. Sorry. Very nice. Very nice. Guys, looking amazing. Time to get this on the plate. Nice. I want to show you all the inside. Before I show you all the inside, I get a little dust. Nice little parsley. Sprinkle a little bit in the around the edges. Look pretty nice. For the inside, I like it wet. I don't know if you all like it wet. Some like it dry, but this is the inside here. Check it out. Perfect. Cheese melted. Wow. Delicious. I need to try a piece of this immediately. I shall be working in a 5-star restaurant, yes? Check it out. My god. If you're not hungry, you're hungry now. Amazing.